In the quiet shade of the learning tree, a strange sound broke the silence.
William looked up to see a single leaf ticking like a tiny clock. Chewie tilted his head in confusion, while Bubbles clucked in pure amazement.
"How can a leaf track time?" William whispered, reaching out his hand. The air grew heavy with magic as the mystery of the grove began to wake. Suddenly, the wondergate creaked open, spilling pulsating gold and blue light across the grass. A new symbol etched itself into the ancient wood, a leaf with a clock face, pulsing 3 times from yellow to deep blue. Glow sprites emerged,
dancing in circles around the trio. "It is a time adventure!" William shouted. With a brave peck from Bubbles, the gate swung wide, pulling them into a rush of shimmering air.
They stepped into the time grove, a place where reality seemed to splinter. 3 trees stood before them, 1 yellow, 1 white, and 1 blue.
But the leaves were in total chaos. Morning leaves clung to night branches,
and the grove groaned in disharmony. A stone tablet rose from the earth, showing the sunrise, the sun, and the moon. They tried to match the leaves to the symbols,
but the tablet remained cold and dim. Something was still very wrong.
William paused, studying the icons. The sequence is the key, he realized. He began to rearrange the glowing symbols into a perfect line. Morning, then noon,
then night. Chewie nudged the noon icon into the center, while Bubbles tapped the night icon into place. Suddenly, a massive wave of light washed over the grove. The trees shifted back to their proper colors as the glow sprites spun in a celebratory dance.
Time was finally following its pattern once more. The grove began to fade, and the trio found themselves back in their own backyard. The ticking leaf fell softly into William's hand, now silent and calm.
"The learning tree is fixed," he said with a smile. Chewie nudged the leaf and Bubbles balanced it on his head. But as the Wonder Gate closed,
William's backpack began to glow with a strange new light. A music note appeared on the fabric.
"Our next adventure," William announced, "will be about the power of sound."